like your light bulb test. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me over the dogs barking. I just moved the switch all the way up with the electrical tester. Wire's hot. Now put your light bulb to it. Light bulb comes on. When you slide the switch down, it slides down and then makes a click at the very bottom. When I go up my electrical tester, it senses that there is a current there. However, it's at the lowest voltage and the light bulb does not come on. So the wire is hot in that there is still a voltage going through, but in essence the switch is off. It's not the same positive off as a regular toggle switch where there's no power, but the power is off and it does not cause the light bulb to come on. So the switch is fine and you're safe to hook it up, and when you hook up the light fixture, when you move it all the way down to the bottom and it clicks, the light fixture will be off even though the wire itself is showing some voltage going through it. But it's not the same hot voltage that's enough to turn the light actually on.